Porter wanted for certain times, aged 18-30, must have a driving license, typing necessary, interest in sport, theater, 40 hours week. Tell 756-4529, the certain times. Driver, aged 30-50, wanted for school bus, some cleaning also, must be good with children. 7 a.m. to p.m. only. Contact John Brown. Tell 676-4327. Electronic engineer. Required microcomputer experience, driving license necessary. Salary negotiable. PK Electronics, 41 Student House, Suffolk. Tel 431-2605. Office assistant, a varied and interesting position with a good telephone manner, good typing, nice personality, and lots of common sense. If you are 16 to 19, then send handwritten details to Mr. B.K. Graves, H.G. White, Whitehall Road, Peterborough. Mark the statements as true or false. 1. You are 16 and you can type well. You can work for the certain times. 2. The school bus driver starts work early in the morning and finishes late in the evening. 3. The company called PK Electronics is in Suffolk. 4. Mr. Graves is looking for an office assistant.